watching Syrian Eats. Today we are making a very famous Syrian recipe. It is called chicken shawarma, or if you've heard it called shawarma. And I got several requests on this recipe, so I am finally making it for you guys. And if any of you guys have any special requests, please feel free to email me or contact me on Facebook. These are the ingredients we will need today. I have 3 large chicken breasts, and I'm going to show you how we're going to cut them. And I have 1 lemon. I sliced it in half, and then I just sliced it thinly. I have 1 teaspoon of hot pepper paste and 1 teaspoon of tomato paste. I have half a cup of white vinegar. I have here 1.5 cups of plain yogurt. And I also have 1/4 of a cup of water. We're gonna need 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And then these are our spices that we will be using today. I have here 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, not salt, garlic powder. And then I have here 1 teaspoon of ground coriander. I have half a teaspoon of ground cardamom, 1 large tablespoon of garlic, 2 teaspoons of Maggie powder, 2 teaspoons of curry powder, half a teaspoon of ground ginger powder, and then 1 teaspoon of allspice. These are our ingredients today to make our chicken shawarma, and I will show you how to put it all together. How we're gonna cut our chicken today. So you're gonna get each breast. If it has any fat, just like this, make sure you take that off. We don't need that. So trim off all the fat on there. And we're gonna throw that fat away. Please be careful, do not cut yourself while you're cleaning the chicken. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this breast in half, just like this. Long glaze though, in half. So we have 2 parts like this. They're a little bit thin. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna do long strips, just like this. You're gonna want your strips to be like this. If they're shorter, that's fine, but you don't want them anything longer than that. And you're gonna do that with the rest of all the chicken. I'm gonna get my chicken chopped up, and I'll be back as soon as I'm done. When I showed you all the ingredients, I forgot to tell you we need half a cup of vegetable oil. And I'm going to show you how we're going to start. We're going to pour our yogurt in here. So we're going to pour all our liquid ingredients in. And this is our 1/4 cup of water, half cup of white vinegar, half cup of vegetable oil. And I am going to add our 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and I'm going to add our pepper paste and our tomato paste. I'm going to add our lemons, and we're going to whisk everything together until it's dissolved. just like this before we add our spices. and push on the lemons to kind of get the juices out. Make sure you wash the lemon before you slice it because it is going in our marinade. And the zest of the lemon also helps get that wild flavor out of the chicken. We're gonna add our garlic. We're gonna whisk it all together. And we're not gonna need salt because we put the Maggie powder, which already has salt in it, and also the soy sauce already has salt in it as well. The longer you let this marinate, the better it's gonna taste. Let it marinate for at least 3 hours, or you can even do it overnight. And then I'll show you how to cook it. Chicken looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and cover it up and put it in the fridge, and I'm gonna take it out in about 3 to 4 hours. Broil, and I'm going to put it on low, and I'm going to move them around every couple of minutes so they can broil evenly. We don't want them to get burned or crispy, but we do want just a little bit of a grilled look to it. We want to brown them to a golden brown. The ingredients we will need to make our sandwiches after our chicken is ready. I have here half a cup of mayonnaise. You can use any type of mayonnaise that you like. I like the olive oil mayonnaise. I have some garlic, and then I have a lemon, tomatoes, and then these pickles. Do not use the American style dill pickles. These Middle Eastern pickles taste a lot different, and it will make your sandwiches taste very good. I'm gonna slice the tomatoes, and then we're gonna squeeze the lemon juice inside the mayonnaise and add the garlic, and that will be our sauce. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.